Gross. Okay, so first I want to spawn a slime. Slime. Spawn list sub1. And I'm just going to copy all this. Just going to copy that part. Let's pressure slime. Slime. J Crasher slime. For J Crasher slime. 5, 6, 7. Copy this. There we go. Now we've got 8 slimes, and then spawn list sub 8 is going to be pause. So it won't spawn anything on that part of the timeline. Sure. Sub 10 gets J Crasher. Spawn list sub 11 gets Crasher slime, and also this one was supposed to be a slime. Oh. Oops. There we go. Copy that part so I can write in the number. Equals Crasher. Crasher. Slime. Crasher slime. So I've got I've got 2 regular crashers now. Crasher slime. No regular crasher. 16 gets crasher slime. Sub 17 gets Crasher slime. 18 gets pause. Spawn list sub 19 gets Crasher. Sub 20 gets OBJ Crasher. 21 gets OBJ Crasher. And then timeline var timeline equals create level timeline spawn list 270 steps between spawns. Okay, and that's not an actual function yet, but I'm going to make it a function. And hopefully this wasn't too boring to watch. So now I'm going to make a script. It's called a script, not a function. And it's going to be create level timeline CR create spawns. CR create spawns. There we go. And then our list speed. No, increment. Because speed is already taken. Our list and increment. List gets arg0. How do you use arguments? I know there's an argument list somewhere. Argument 0. And increment gets argument 1. And then for length of the list, array length 1D. Wait, hang on. Length. There we go. And then also step. For length equals, and then length is going to be the length of the list, so array length 1D. Oh, I put array instead of array. There we go. Array length 1D of list. Step gets... Okay, so apparently OBS just disconnected and reconnected. Is it still disconnected? Okay, I hope everything's all right. Yeah, OBS disconnected for some reason. I think my internet is just under load today for some reason. Maybe Caitlin's doing something dumb in the next room over on the internet. Maybe she's playing Overwatch or something, and she's frustrated because it's lagging a lot. I get 0, I plus plus, I is less than or equal, yeah, I is less than length. Yeah, it should be less than length because the length is going to be one more than the last. Since the length is going to be the number of things in the list, but the last thing in the number for the last thing in the list is going to be one less than that because it's 0, because it starts at 0. So it's going to have to be it's going to have to be less than while it's less than length because it's one less. Okay. Trying to grasp basic coding concepts with Dylan Yoder. Oh no, I just said my last name. Okay. That's alright. How do I do this? Okay. For I get 0, I plus plus, I is less than length. Oh yeah, timeline. I need to actually timeline, and then timeline gets timeline add that's it. Timeline. Huh. Okay, how am I actually going to do this? Timeline. Can you add something to a timeline from here? Oh, timeline moment add script. Okay. Okay. First of all, it has to not be pause, so if list sub I does not equal pause, and then put a close bracket right there. Timeline moment add script index timeline step hmm huh timeline step. Oh yeah, step is gonna be step. And then script is gonna be instance create x y obj or xy list sub I. It rhymes. It's beautiful. Will that work? Will I be able to add just a single command? Just a single statement? Whatever you call it? Also, I need to change this because I switched those two things again. There we go. And then step plus equals increment. Oh. Oh yeah, and then at the end of all this, it has to return timeline. Saying unexpected symbol, line 2. Oh yeah, I forgot Game Maker has a problem with making arrays. Hmm. Okay. That way it's still a local variable. Interesting. Interesting how they're up there when they're supposed to be down here. Yeah, I wish you could just type out a list instead of having to set each thing. Having to set each position. Oh, well. Because if you could do that, I could just be making sure the stream's working, by the way. But if I could just type out a list, I could just add things in the middle, and I wouldn't have to change a bunch of numbers. Timeline index gets timeline. There we go. Spawn list sub-0 is pause. And then how do I just increase all these numbers individually? Ugh. There we go. What are these? What are they doing here? They're nowhere in the room. Do I need to, like, creation code? There's nothing in here saying to create anything. Oh no. Is this actually just creating objects instead of adding this to the list? Instead of adding this to the timeline? I think it might be creating instances instead of adding things to the timeline. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy, this isn't gonna work, is it? My idea isn't gonna work, oh boy. What do I do? The only part of this that I can see not working is the instance create thing right there. Okay, I'm just gonna comment out this one line and see, just to confirm that that's what's not working, or that that's what's causing this. Yeah. Okay, so it's actually just creating instances instead of adding the instance create to the timeline. Huh. can't figure this out. What do I do? I can't see a way to do this without just making the timeline, which has so many problems of its own. What are you talking about, Jay? Why did you just say, "Oh, what's this?" Have you been watching this stream? Here, I can just. Oh, you've been eating? Okay. Or no, don't add existing timeline. Create timeline. TL dance floor. But don't add any moments to it. And that's going to be argument 2. So I'll put it up with the other arguments. And in the creation code, here, creation code. I don't think this will make any difference, though. TL dance floor. And then under create spawns. Yeah, that should mean that the timeline will be the index. The timeline variable will be the index. Yeah, it's just doing this. Okay. What do I do? Floor. It's empty. I wonder if I can just make a separate program to make the timelines, if they're human readable. If they're human readable, then I might be able to do that. Save the game. I'm gonna documents. Hmm. So really, it turns out making a ugh, making a list isn't that much more efficient because actually it's less efficient because it involves running more code, and also you have to type out each individual number, so it's not that much more efficient. So yeah, I don't want to do that. Yeah, this is good. Don't make spawn list. And then I can delete script create spawns. So let me see. Game maker, projects, backups. Uh, can I? Okay, open with Notepad. This is not really human readable. I mean, you can read it, but it's long and complicated. I could probably make a program to do this, but it would be very tricky. Hmm. I don't know. Okay, I guess I might as well raise the everything. The dance floor room and put that in the ground. And then I'm gonna have to edit each create. I don't want to edit each create. Okay, I think 8 slimes at the beginning is too many. Has proven to be too many. Maybe I can do this. I don't really know how this works. Why can't I edit these fields? Why are they there? Oh, I'm not in numlock. Oops. A moment. 2160. Okay, that makes things a lot easier. Because I can sort of shift the whole timeline back. Crasher, slime, 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 crasher, slime, 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 crasher, slime, 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 and then 3 crashers. It's all there? From 5400 to 5520 to whichever one is after 5400. So I have to add 270 to it. plus 5400. Oh, well, I guess it's right there. Oh, right, I spawned three crashers very fast there, but... What was on the calculator again? I can just look at this. This is helpful. Cheating. Oh, oops, I missed it. Okay, that's grand. I tried to cheat, and it didn't work. There's a lesson to be learned here, folks. Don't cheat. Except that I'm a programmer, and pretty much all I do is cheat. So... Okay, there we go. So now there's a little pause right before it spawns the 3 crashers. There. And then it'll spawn a slime. Okay, so the shift changes things a lot, because I thought I was not really going to be able to edit timelines without messing with stuff. Yep, I'm a filthy cheater, Jay. Except I tried to cheat and it didn't work, so... Who's the real cheater here? I don't know what I'm saying. But yeah, I am a cheater because I'm a programmer, and programmers do a lot of cheating. Very Thanks for that, Jay. Me and Jay were having an argument earlier about who's more responsible. I, 0, negative, sprite, get, height, SPR, crasher, slime. Copy that. Maybe this will work. I'm not sure if this will actually raise it. Because I'm not sure if you can run functions within drag and drops. And then delete the slime from this one because it's not a slime. I'll call it cheating the stream. I'll call this stream cheating the stream. That'll work. Copy. There we go. Maybe it'll do it now. Whoop. Yeah! Gotta wait until it spawns crashers to really know, though. So maybe I have to run it in debug mode so I can... I don't know if you can actually speed things up in debug mode. Can I speed things up? Ooh, I can do this little bit of cheating. Here, see how programmers do a lot of cheating? I can just set the speed to something ridiculous, like, 180. That is 3 times the normal speed. We'll see how this goes. Okay, we gotta very quickly put down a speaker. Yeah, here we go. Now the level is running 3 times faster than normal. And I can just wait for crashers. Oh, well. I forgot that the actual height of crashers is not as high as it's supposed... It's actually higher than it should be. I won the level. Not only did I win the level, but I found out that I need to crop the Crasher sprite. I really needed to do this for a while. So, transform, resize canvas. Height is gonna be. Mm-hmm. 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 Okay. Height is gonna be. I'll say 150 pixels. And it was 201 before, right? Oops, I changed the width. That's fine. Height is gonna be pixels. Nope. Size canvas. What if I set it like 30 pixels less? So 200 minus 30. I can't do basic math right now, guys. 171 pixels. Okay, then let's shave a few pixels off of that. So like 161. That was only 10 pixels and it cut it off, so we're very close. I can feel it. 166. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Very good. Now we can cut off the bottom, or the top. And knowing what we know from the last time we tried to cut we tried to cut pixels off, we can sort of, ease this in. Yes, perfect. Unless I went 1 pixel too many and now his head is small. Oh, yeah, that cuts off the animation. Okay. Okay, so I only need to cut off like 3 pixels from that. I'm being really perfectionistic. Cheating and perfectionism the stream. What if I just cut off 2 pixels? That is good, I think. What if I just cut off un pixel? Not gonna cut it. There we go. Ghoster goos. That's what these are. They're ghoster goos. So now they're exactly the right height. Oh, they're still fast. Oh no! Still have lots of very fast boys. Up. Alright, there we go. I didn't even notice if they were at the right height because I was too focused on trying to win the level, which I don't actually need to do. Guess I might as well just do that. Oh, hey, I thought they'd be a little bit higher than they should be because the Huh, they're exactly the right height. I thought they'd be higher than they should be because of the way I set things up, because the animation is a little bit too tall because of the animation. Ghoster Goose and Fast Line Boys. Alright, I'm gonna... How long have I been doing this? I have about 15 minutes left. I got one thing accomplished on this stream. Okay, you know what? This was a bad stream. I'm gonna call it. I'm not gonna hit stop streaming right now. But thank you for watching. If you're watching it on YouTube later, thanks. I'm gonna name this one Cheating and Perfectionism the Stream. So thanks a lot, and goodbye. I guess I should play it off, just so I have a little bit of buffer time. Alright, now I'm just going to YouTube. What should I play it off with? Gonna round this off with some song. Jay, quick, name a song. Name a song I should play at the end of the stream. Come on. All right, Star Spangled Banner it is. Okay. Star Spangled Banner lyrics, vocals, and cool. Okay, thanks for watching this very American stream. Goodbye.